Now, if you feel you have violated plagiarism rules in the past, it's just like stealing. Now, how is it like stealing? Imagine you're a 5-year-old and you are in a store and you see something you want and you ask your mom to buy it and your mom says no. Well, what if you took that thing and you put it in your pocket and you steal it and you're 5 years old? What kind of punishment could you get into? Probably not super enormous punishment. Your mom would probably be mad at you. She might take you back to the store and tell you to uh, apologize to the manager, and that's about all that's going to happen. Let's imagine you are 11 years old and you steal this something in a store with your mom as well. What kind of trouble could you get into? Well, it might be a little bit more. Maybe you get your games or phone taken away. Maybe you're not allowed to see your friends for the weekend or go to that sleepover. So the punishment just gets a little bit more severe. But what if you're 25 years old and you steal something from a store? What could happen to you? Well, you could possibly go to jail, or you can get arrested or pay a fine. And so, just like uh, stealing something in real life, the same thing happens in uh, plagiarism as well. School policy right now is if you're in kindergarten through, we'll say, about ninth grade, if you are caught plagiarizing, it's really up to the teacher to decide what penalty there is for plagiarism. You can maybe get a 0 for the assignment, maybe a parent gets notified, maybe even a meeting with the principal or guidance counselor. Once you start getting into upper high school, those zeros really start affecting your applications to colleges and can really affect your future. If you're in college, colleges can actually expel you from the university. There's an example of a college student at the University of Virginia. She was charged with plagiarizing a paper because she didn't cite or paraphrase correctly. Her consequence was she expelled from the University of Virginia's Semester at Sea program. That means she was on a cruise ship taking college classes and had to board the plane home at the next port of call. And so she wasn't allowed to finish her program. And so that is a huge penalty. If you're an adult and you get caught plagiarizing, you could pay lots of money in fines, and some adults have gone to jail for plagiarizing, especially some news reporters and things like that.